Unong aiktian ke Sarkar MDA uba wailat miki shelau le thu baka kynhun menteri kala ajing Mynjur ke por ban pynkhreh ke thup kerteng electoral roll joginang thap vote ke benta ban penlong election chaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nak benta ke senam arajar arpuhun rio ndre empat rai pat ke tarik ban penlong ya ke election Ulang bakalong keberan kaman sedang syuai ke jing pynkhreh ke batikna yaki thup kerteng girong thap vote bat hadian kani an sepen benai ke tarik ban penlong yak election ha GHADC Uba wailat miki shla ulong bak sarkar kala Mynjur ke por ban pynkhreh ki thup kerteng ke bakan thup ke jing penmi ke draft electoral roll ke jing thap ya ke jing ujor ke jing persya ban ke jing penkot ke thup kerteng thap vote Haka bedai bak jing sokya lor kinong thap vote ki bam dai ke ulom garo Commissioner Secretary Ketenat District Council Affairs uba Cyril Dingdo. Ula pensyai bagi Deputy Commissioner ken bot renti ya ki Autonomous District Rules AD Rules ki badan ki kendon ban kedau mano kita ki badan hak ban tap vote.
So this is actually, see, the election is like going to be happen next year. So today the cabinet, because as you know, no doubt we have not decided the date yet, but the government has to start the preparatory step. So that's why today we in the cabinet we pass the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election in Garo Hills. So like I already said, that the government has to start the preparatory step, because we need to have the roll ready before the date of the election comes.
See, these rules, were framed in 1951, and if the district councils have any opinion in terms of changing the rules, they are free to, put forth through the process. There's a process involved, right? I don't think that has, last time in both the Khasi and Jaintia, there were any issues as far as the roll was concerned. Ultimately, people voted in large numbers, and there was no issue that was brought to our notice that people were missing in the rolls or whatever, for whatever reason. Because, like I said, there's a process involved. The draft rule is published. After the draft rule is published, there's a period of filing of claims and objections. After that period, the final rule is published. So this process is very important, and the AD rules are there for the guidance of the deputy commissioners, and those process will be followed. Have a clear criteria, so the DCs will follow as per the rules.
The AD rule says that they can.
You have to go to the AD rules. We don't have the details right now. As per the AD rules, we can inform what the AD rules are. This process is handled by the DCs concerned.
So separate AD rules for them compared to Khasi?
No, the same AD rules. The same AD rules. There's only one AD rules of 1951 for the entire state of Meghalaya, which govern the 3 district councils, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia.
But when
so the DCs take that decision.
But when it comes to Garo Hills, even non-tribals are allowed to vote, but not in Khasi or Jaintia Hills.
See, there are criteria. You have to be a permanent resident, etc. I don't have the rules in front of me right now, so it'll be wrong for me to comment. But we can, definitely once the process starts, brief the press on what is the rule being followed. Everything will go as per rules. There's a period of filing of claims and objections. There's a process of the draft rule being published, then the final rule being published. And the process is there where you can file a claims objection. So those who are entitled to vote can do that as per the rules. So the rules will be followed.